Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to discuss embedded figures from question number 101 to 110. In question figure 101, you can see a slant line starting from top left to bottom right, and two small curved lines are there at the ends. When you come to A, the slant lines are in opposite direction, so you cannot take this as answer. In B, all are horizontal lines. That is also wrong answer. In C, vertical lines. That is also wrong answer. In D, you can see the lines which are in the same direction. You can choose the middle line and the small curved line here and one more curved line on the top. So the answer for 101 is option D. Let us pass on to the next question. 102. In this 102, you can see a horizontal line, two small vertical lines, and two slant lines at the ends. See, totally 5 lines are there. See, in option A, you can choose the horizontal line here, but you cannot find the vertical lines at the end. So A is wrong. In B, horizontal line, vertical lines at the end, and two small slant lines are also present. In C, this horizontal line is missing. In D also, see, horizontal line is there. It is taken inside the pentagon. So the size will be very small. That's why you cannot choose D as also answer. So the answer for 1 or 2 is option B. Question number 103. In 1 or 3, you can see a slant line, vertical line, small slant line, and one more small line on the big line. See here, I think you can choose it. Slant line, horizontal line, one more slant line, and small line. A may be the answer. Let us keep it. See, when you come to C, see this line will become much less smaller than the question figure. So don't choose this one answer. In C, it is opposite in direction. That is also wrong answer. In D, you cannot find the small line here. So D is also wrong answer. Option A for 103. That is the right answer. Question number 104. In question number 104, you can see a small L shape and a slant line extending from the L shape. So if you choose L shape here in option A, you cannot get the slant line here. So A can't be the answer. Now let me take out one more example. Here also if you choose, you cannot take the slant line here. Now come to C. Here you can choose the slant line and the cross slant line, L shape. All the things are possible here. It might be the answer. When you come to D, see the slant line is present, but you cannot choose the L shape here. So D is also wrong. For 104, C will be the right answer. Option C. Question number 105. You can see a line. See two lines which are in the form of an angle. So one is horizontal, one is slant line which is bigger than the horizontal line. When you look at the options, see you can find such lines here, slant line and horizontal lines, but they are oriented in opposite direction. So don't choose that one. In B also you can find such lines. Okay, but you cannot choose that one. See in C, slant line in the same position, horizontal line in the same position. So the answer will be option C. In the bottom left corner, in the same position, bottom left, you can find those lines. In D, they are bottom right and they are oriented in opposite direction. So as just like mirror image, don't consider D also. The right answer will be C. 105, C is the right answer. 106. See one slant line, small vertical line and big horizontal line. 3 lines that you can see. You cannot find slant line here and also horizontal line after this small vertical line in A. When you come to B, here you can find out a slant line, the top one, small vertical line and big horizontal line. See, all the things you can find it here. It might be answer. When you come to C, again, you cannot find small vertical line. Here also small vertical line and horizontal line you cannot find in D. For 106, the option will be option B. Question number 107. See, it's a very simple figure. 1, 2, 3 lines. 2 horizontal and 1 small vertical line. See, horizontal lines you can find. Small vertical line is not here. In B also small vertical line is not there. In C, you can point out the answer, where the question figure is hiding. You can see 1, 2, 3. The question figure is hiding on the top. See here. In D also slant lines are there, horizontal lines are there, not there. So the answer is option C. Question number 108. See, there's a curved line, slant line, and one L shape on the top. Where can you find that answer? Let us find out. See, curved line is here, slant line, horizontal, and vertical line. All the lines you can find it in A. Let us consider for the answer. Though we have considered that as the answer, though we think the question figure is hiding in option A, let us check and reason out why B, C and D are wrong. So when you come to here, slant line is present, vertical line, slant line and curved line both are present, horizontal is present, but small top vertical line is missing. Leave that answer. Here also you cannot find a horizontal and vertical line. In D also you cannot find it. So answer A is the answer for 108. See, in 109, you can see a slant line and one L shape and one small horizontal line continue. So in A, you cannot find a slant line which is from top left to bottom right in this orientation. You cannot find it. Leave it. In B, you can find it. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the lines you can find it in B. In C, again, the slant line is oriented in opposite directions. You cannot find this one as answer. Here you can get half of it. 1, 2, 3. But last small horizontal line is missing in option D. Don't consider D as the answer. The answer for 109 is option B. That is the right answer. Last question, 110. See, one slant line, diagonal line, and one more slant line. See this shape, Y shape, it is there. So here Y shape is there, but it is in opposite way. You cannot consider. Here also it is in another way. You cannot consider. See, in C you can find it in the same way. No, you cannot find it. See, this line should be extended up to the corner. No, this is also wrong answer. When you come to D, C here, you can find it. Okay. The answer is D for 110. Dear students, till now we have discussed question number 101 to 110. Now let us have discussion. Now you have to participate in the discussion and you should give the answer and the reason for finding out. Thank you.